Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, the price is now sitting at a very, very important level as we head into the new week. That important level for those, this should sound familiar for those of you that watched the video from Wednesday and Thursday, but 45 cents. Very important area, as I've talked about before, and that is right where the price is currently sitting at. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there because honestly, I don't really care about levels of resistance, and I've said this in past videos. To me, it's always been about the big question of, hey, yes, there was a great move here. Nobody can deny that, but was there any sort of actual true power behind this price movement, or is that just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? And then I talked about 45 cents being very important in answering that question. Assuming we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. And that is right what's being threatened of happening right now is the price is quite literally sitting right at that level where if the price ultimately fails and goes below it, then what would you have at that moment? Well, from a very literal perspective, if 45 fails, you have the price literally right back to where it started before the big movement started. And again, that is not the sign of any sort of true power or anything like that. You want to see some progress being made. Now, to be fair, as of right now, and you can see pretty much the entire day long, the price did do a good job of hovering right along this area. And if that continues to occur and then the price starts to work its way back upwards, well, at that point, from the big picture, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have these sets down there, and if you envision these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. You still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So 45 cents, it's hanging in there. It's fighting. My point is that's definitely the key dynamic and key question going into next week is, can this area hold, or is the price ultimately go right back to where it was and prove this move right there to just be a dead cat bounce? So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, a whole lot of eyeballs going to be watching 45. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.